You found black mold in your house. Well, first and foremost, how sure are you that it's black mold? How do you know it's mold? Does it look like mold and it's black? That doesn't mean it's black mold. One thing that you're going to need to do is have a mold test done by a certified mold testing company to determine A, if it's mold and what type it is. Secondly, you need to determine if it's worth filing a claim or not. Mold is a really big deal, especially in the state of Florida. And once you file a claim for it, that's going to follow you for a very, very long time, up until and maybe even past when you sell your house. So if it's not necessary to file a claim for mold, it's a good idea to avoid doing so. Contact a public adjuster. They'll come out and take a look at it and determine what the value is of the claim and whether or not you should be filing the claim in the first place. What is a hurricane deductible? Well, a hurricane deductible is something that you should be very aware of before a hurricane comes. Your policy has your standard deductible, which is typically anywhere from $1,000 to $2,500 or somewhere thereabouts. Your hurricane deductible, however, can be anywhere from 2 to 4, even 5 times your policy limits. This can mean, in some cases, tens of thousands of dollars. Most of us are not prepared to spend that type of money covering damages to our house. Check with your agent, check on your insurance policy, make sure it is as low as possible. Typically 2% is as low as I've seen it. Definitely steer away from a policy that's saying 4 or 5%. Remember, when a hurricane comes, you're going to want to be protected. So keep that hurricane deductible as low as possible. You changed insurance companies and then found damage from a storm several months ago. Are you covered? Yes, you are covered. It's a little bit trickier. First and foremost, you're going to need to file the claim with the insurance company that was covering you at the time of loss. So if that damage occurred when you were with the other insurance company, you're going to have to go to your previous insurance company to file that claim. These types of claims can be a little tricky. Sometimes the insurance company will push back asking, why did you wait so long to file the claim? Although that's okay, it still can be a little trickier. It might be a good idea in these situations to contact a public insurance adjuster to represent your best interests. The insurance company's adjuster is looking out for their best interest. You should have an adjuster looking out for your best interest.